you drive an old classic with an unmodified engine designed to run on pre-87 leaded fuel, just like this Holden 186 red motor. If you're a young boy like me growing up in the 70s and then into the 80s, this was the stuff dreams were made of, an iconic engine. Well, you've probably heard of or worried about power sapping, mechanically compromising valve seat recession. Because you see, on that classic, that old leaded fuel provided a softening of the pounding of the valve against the valve seat. And that's where Penrite's Valve Shield comes in. It safely protects against valve seat recession, and at the same time is a great upper cylinder lubricant. Will clean and lubricate fuel system components, including reducing intake deposits that build up on valves and reduce performance. So even if you're unsure if your old donk has had hardened seats put in at a later date, that doesn't matter. Valve Shield has still got plenty of other benefits. So let Penrite, a 100% Aussie-owned company who share the same passion as you do for all things automotive, keep your classic running just as it should.